Hey guys, this is a tutorial and walkthrough of Trading 212, a popular trading app. This is just a paper money trading app here, but it will work for just showing you guys how to go through everything. So this is the app once you've got it opened up and you've got your account set up. So let's just go through everything here. You open with the My Watch list and it already adds some of the biggest most popular brands in America just on the watch list already. It's got a really good layout. You can see all of the charts and all of the different prices for the shares. I'm in the share trading account. There is also a CFD trading account as well. I'm just going to show you the invest account here, and you can see the account value $50,000. This is just paper money and I haven't made any investments so far. The other options at the top go through to fractional shares, which just reduces the price. So you can buy a fraction of one share just in case the actual share is too expensive. There are definitely a few companies in the States where the share price is incredibly expensive for small investors. So you can go into fractional shares. Just has popular options here, things that are being traded quite a lot by their clients at the moment. A list of US stocks, again, popular stocks here, UK stocks, technology, financials, automotive. These are just lists of stocks and popular names, as you can see. It goes all the way through to all the different types of stocks that you can buy, even cannabis up here. New on Trading 212, so these are stocks that they've added onto the app recently. And then ETFs, exchange traded funds, as you can see, these are the most popular ETFs at the moment. You can actually add things here. Maybe you can create a watch list, so you can just do what you want. Hello, and you can add watch list here, and then you can add instruments. So we'll get onto that into a second. Moving on to the next page, all your investments will be here. We haven't made any yet, so we'll just go through to the search page. You can search all 2,500 stocks by most popular, or maybe if they pay a good dividend. Let's see, Royal Dutch Shell pays a good dividend, according to them anyway, and a lot of other apps. So let's just see a stock page. So we'll just come into this. So you can see the 1 day chart or the 1 week chart here, the 1 month chart overall as well, even the max since it was listed. Then below the stock chart, there's lots of information. So you have the CEO and all of the key ratios. So the market cap, the price to earnings ratio, and some of the financial summaries. I think this actually is a pretty good way of doing it. It's all laid out quite easily, and it's definitely easy to get all of the information that you want. Going over to the options page, you can flick through some videos and also just change the settings to your liking. But let's go through to actually searching for and buying a stock. So my watch list, let's see, Amazon, that is probably on the way up. Yep, it is. So let's just go ahead and buy some shares. So as you can see, you want to buy some shares, click on the amount of shares that you want to purchase. So $2,500 each, quite expensive. So maybe 5 shares, and you can see here the amount. It's going to debit me just over $12,500. You can slide around here as well to change. So you can slide up, and you can actually trade half a share in these fractional shares. So 7.5 shares, or I want 5 shares, so just over 12,500. You can review the order here, or you can place a limit order. So market order will just execute at the market price, whatever that may be. Limit order, you can actually change it yourself. So you want to buy maybe 5 shares, and then you can enter the price that you want. So 22548. That's the price I want to pay. And you set the expiration date. When do you want that order to end? At the end of the day, it will cancel if it hasn't been executed. Good till cancelled GTC. It will just stay open forever. If the price never gets down to your level, whatever price you set it at, it will just be there until you physically cancel it yourself. So I'm just going to go and put a market order through just to get the order done, so I can show you guys how to do it all. But there it is, very easy. Send buy order, it's going to buy those shares. So that's it. And we could go back now and we should see my positions, or it says investments here. I have a position in Amazon. I have a pending order here because actually the market in the States right now for my time zone isn't open. But that's it. I just want to show you also how you search for a company. So maybe you want to search by the name. You can put the name in here and you can see they all come up. Or maybe you want to do the stock ticker. So VOD is Vodafone Group in the UK. You can see it just comes up there very easily. Yeah, so a very simple app altogether. Stock trading itself isn't exactly as hard as options or futures trading. So you just literally pick how many shares that you want to buy, and you can review the order. You can see the cost and just send buy order, and that will execute for me at the market. So that's it, guys. Just a really quick walkthrough of Trading 212, a simple stock buying app. Subscribe if you liked it and for more content like this, but I'll see you in the next one.